Susie here. Welcome back to La Petite Kitchen. My husband and I are both healthcare professionals, so we really try to maintain a healthy lifestyle. We believe that everything in moderation is your best lifestyle, and your diet, that fuels your body, and it controls everything else, your mental health and everything. So we try to maintain a healthy diet first and foremost. You need the proteins in red meat, but we all know that nutritionists have found that a totally red meat diet is not the healthiest diet. So we combine diets that contain red meats, fruits and vegetables, fish. So today I'm going to show you how to make a plant-based chili in your slow cooker. And we're going to use pinto beans, right? We have 2 cups of pinto beans here. They've been washed and sorted. And pinto beans are an excellent source of protein. There's 15 grams of protein in each serving of pinto beans. They also very high in fiber, so they help your digestion and help maintain healthy bowel movements. They're high in folate, which helps maintain cell growth and red cell health. They're also high in antioxidants. So this is a good, healthy meal. So we're going to start, let me get rid of this, with 2 cups of pinto beans. And we're going to add 4 cups of vegetable broth. There you go. 2 cups of water. 1 cup of red onion. About 2 tablespoons of chili seasoning. Now I make my own, so that'll be a new video, I guess. 6 cloves of minced garlic. And we have 1 15-ounce can of fire roasted diced tomatoes. And this is going to add an amazing flavor to your chili. All right, that's it. That's going to cook for 4 to 5 hours. And an hour before it's done cooking, you're going to add about 1 can of sweet corn, or you can use frozen sweet corn. But we're going to do that about an hour before the chili starts cooking. All right? Okay, so it's been 5 hours and our chili is done now. And as you can see, at the 4-hour mark, I added our corn. And now the flavors have all come together in here. And we have an amazing plant-based chili that will just delight your family. And if you wish, you can top it with sour cream or a cheese. And bon appetit. Remember to subscribe to our page and to visit our site and follow our links to our little kitchen gadgets.